like a masterpiece, like it's an art slime.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, today it's me, Journey, and Mykia, and my friend. And today we're gonna show you how to make slime.
Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Back up.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today it's Journey and Mykia. Today we're gonna show you how to make slime.
Yay! So, hey guys, it's Mykia, and I have my little friend Journey here with me today, and we're going to be making some slime, just like she said. I'm new at this. I've never made slime before.
I did.
So, Journey is going to teach me, and yeah, I'm excited. You ready? Let's go. So,
we need a clear bowl.
Okay, so we have the clear bowls.
Here's some wooden spoons to mix it.
Okay, got the spoons.
Got glitter. We have golden, pink, and black.
Okay.
Shaving cream.
Okay.
And glue.
We got a lot of glue.
Yes, and we got borax solution.
Okay.
And we got contact solution, and we got food coloring.
Perfect. So what type of slime are we making?
Fluffy slime.
We're gonna be making fluffy slime. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let Journey take the lead because she knows what she's doing because she did this before. I never did this before, so I'm just gonna, listen to what she's telling me to do, and we're gonna do it. So let's get right into the video.
Let's go. The color I'm gonna do is gonna be green.
I'm gonna do pink.
So it's like these bright turquoise colors. It's like a pink, yellow, green, and blue. That's
those are so cute too.
Colors. We got this at Target.
So we have glue. So what's the first step?
The glue.
Glue? Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna put some glue in my bowl.
And then I will pour some in mine.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. This slime was not a fail at all.
I think that's good.
Because that one turned out glue if you just add a little bit.
Okay.
Now time for color.
Color? Okay, perfect.
Color is the most favorite part because it makes your slime beautiful.
Oh, I should have drew an M. You should draw a J for your name.
Should I do a smiley face?
Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's very cute.
And then nose. Oh. Okay, let's
All right, now let's mix.
Oh my gosh, this green is beautiful. But not as beautiful as when it's first dry. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Can you see how beautiful turquoise that is?
That is so cute.
That pink is really fashionable.
I know, it is kind of fashionable, right? That's really cute.
Yes.
Okay, so we got the glue in and we got the food coloring. Now what's the next step? First time we did this, we forgot one important step, and that was
Contact solution.
so this time we're going to make sure we remember the contact solution.
Yeah, I'm going to put it right here so it will be a reminder.
Okay. So right now we're adding in what's
Shaving
this?
cream.
Shaving cream.
Oh my gosh, got on my hands. Good thing we wash our hands before we even touch. Okay.
And we're making fluffy slime, so we need a lot of shaving cream.
So we're gonna have to use 3 because that makes it turn out gooder. Right, Mykia?
Yep.
Because this blue slime is the best one ever. This green color is beautiful. I think we should add a little more like we did with this blue one.
Okay, so you want to put some more food coloring in it?
Why? I just put the top on this and now
it
it
came
won't just
off?
land.
Oh, it's okay. Well, at least it didn't come out.
Oh, maybe I forgot. 1 and 2 and...
Okay, perfect. And then this is what mine is looking like so far. So far we only have glue, food coloring, and shaving cream in the bowls. So let's keep this thing going.
Oh, this green is so beautiful.
It really is.
the last time we made slime, it was a fail.
It was a big fail.
Yeah, it was like too sticky. Mine's that pink one that I had, it was a fail, definitely.
Yes, for sure.
It was sticky all over my hands. We had to throw that one in the trash. And it wasn't coming off when I was washing my hands.
Right.
So
okay,
that was a fail.
So now we're just adding borax. We can't, for this we learned that you can't put a lot. Okay, I think that's good.
Because you don't want it too sticky or your slime will mess up.
Yeah, so for the borax solution, literally you only need a tiny bit.
Literally, your mom will be, if you did that at home, please don't do too much. Your mom and dad will get very mad.
They really will.
They'll be like, why, what did you do? I thought you said you were going to be a masterpiece with slime.
I know. So now, once you add the borax solution, it starts turning into slime.
Yeah,
like
look.
the borax solution really helps it get like the slimy look, right?
Yeah, we need a little more shaving cream.
Okay, but we have to add the contact solution first, remember? So we're gonna put the contact solution in now. Ooh, okay.
I don't know why the top doesn't open all the way.
So this is the step that we missed the first time, and I think this really helped our second one come out perfect.
Yeah, because this one, our second one, it turned out super good. It's just, it lets you poke it and it just sticks a little bit, which is good.
Yeah. All right. And the shaving cream makes it extra fluffy, so you need the shaving cream.
Gonna get a lot in there.
What you said the first time? This was epic. This is epic.
This is like turning out like you're an artist, but with a slime.
I know. It's really coming in together. All right. I think we're done.
Hey.
This is super fluffy and it's not even sticky. Yes, we did it perfect.
So that one's, so today was the best day ever because this slime is not sticky.
I know. So that's Journey's.
So it came out just like the blue one.
It came out so perfect.
And it smells even like shaving cream like this one.
It smells so good because we used the women's shaving cream this time.
Yeah, because the blue one, the kids, we use all of it. But we can still use it, and it lets you poke it.
Yours always comes out better than mine. Mine's is a little bit sticky, but overall it's pretty good.
Whoa, sorry. Oh my.
Oh, that smells good. It
Let
smells
me
just like the
smell
shaving
yours.
cream.
This smells like plastic.
So Journey's slime is perfect. Mine is a little messy because it's sticking to my hands. But hers came out good. Okay. So what did we learn from this? Overall, we learned that you can only use a little bit of glue because our first one was a disaster. What else?
Not a lot of the borax solution mixed with water.
Yeah, okay, so don't use too much borax solution when you do this at home because if you use too much, it'll be another disaster.
Yeah, and if you forget contact solution, it will be like bad.
Yes, okay, so don't forget contact solution either because it'll be bad. Because the first one we did, we forgot the contact solution and it turned out a disaster. So yeah, overall, this was so fun.
I made a poop.
Oh my gosh. So this was fun. Mine is low-key a disaster because it's so sticky, but Jordan's is perfect. And did you have fun? Okay, so if you guys like Journey on my channel, comment down below and let me know what other videos me and Journey can do together. Cause you down to do another video, right?
I think that when I did her makeup.
Okay, so Journey wants to do my makeup, so we're gonna see how good of a makeup artist she is. So comment down below. Tomorrow. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. And what else? Do you have anything else to say?
Subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment down below and
subscribe to our channel.
And subscribe to our channel. And yeah, I think this was good, right? Thank you, Journey, for being on my channel today. And now we're about to just play with our slime. See you guys later. Peace.